Hey everyone, so this is Owen Fox here, New Age Sage Clown Transformer at your fingertips. Thanks for clicking on this video, and today I want to talk about the durian in front of me and how I decided to pick a good durian, so tips for picking a good durian. Hope you're well today, and sit back and enjoy the video, wherever you are. So here is a lot of durian. I went through loads of durian, and these are the 3 durian that I decided to pick. So basically speaking, if you look at some of them, for example, I was thinking picking this one earlier, but I just thought, it's like, see the way it's so spiky? You don't want lots of small spikes close to each other, and you don't want something that's like not too plump. So you want it to be a bit plumper. So for example, hi, how are you?
Hey.
Hey. So for example, see the way this is like, you can see the grooves more, and it's like the spikes are further spaced away from each other. See the way this one is like much closer? This is a more immature one, this is a more mature one. And this also has a huge big chunk of fruit, and then there, and then there. So this is basically all fruit, just like 4 huge chunks. Like, look at that lovely piece. Another thing you want to do, you can even see the lines, and this is the sieve where it'll open. Usually when you press it, you want a bit of like give and a bit of press. You can also even like shake it and hear a little like boom, 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 a little bit too. So there you can see total big differences. Another thing I like to look at sometimes is the fact that it might be opening. So back here you can see it is actually opening, and this one here isn't. But even still, I still think this would be perfectly delicious and fine to eat any time almost, and much more mature, richer, creamier flavors. Whereas this would be a little bit more watery, a little bit like softer. A little bit more like sort of like liquidy-ish almost, but obviously it's going to be solid, but this would be creamier and denser and more like dessert, like, if you hear what I'm saying. So, and this also weighs heavy, man. It's like, for the size of it, it's pretty heavy, and it's not like, I don't think it's like shell weight. I think it's fruit weight, which is what you want, because it's weighed per kilogram. And then here again, here's another example. Like, look at that massive, this is one of the biggest like pods I've ever seen in my life here. It goes all the way down there. It's huge, and you can even see the sim. Like, if I got a little knife, I'll be able to open that, wedge it open, and eat it and like pry it open. This is a nice little bit of a gift to it too. Better than just this one. This might need another day to ripen, maybe, but it may be not. But you can see the lovely lines, much thicker. Whereas, like, look at some of these, for example. Just that's too small. It's immature. It's like too many spikes, too spiky, sticking out and closer together.
Look for you, yeah, for fair.
For me, my YouTube channel.
Yeah, yeah.
What?
You know which is good.
I think so. Yeah, I hope so. do you know? This is the Asian store in Dublin. It's called the Asia Market on Drury Street in Dublin, Ireland. So yeah, I decided again to get this one too. Again, this isn't as prominent as these two, but it still has a bit of line. You see the tracks, and you're looking at the end. You're looking for big lumps of fruit. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. So less sort of spiky. So let's have a look at this. Like, let's have a look at another one for an example. Here's a small one. That's probably a bit too small, really. See how spiky that is compared to the other ones? Like, there's like loads of spikes close to each other. Yeah. Yeah, again. Okay, everyone, so I hope this video helped. These will be around, the small ones will be around 20 to 25 quid to 30. These 3 will probably be around, because I know they're heavy and they're medium sized, they're probably around like 30 to 35 quid each. I'm going to guess 33 to 36 quid each. So we're talking about 100 euros. But you get a lot of food in them. And me and my mum share together. And life's short, I want to live rich, I want to live abundant. Look, it's crazy, man. It's like, it's even... This actually happened a minute ago when I was moving my arm and I scraped off that. It's wild, isn't it? So you don't want one of these to drop on your head. But yeah, have fun and enjoy life, everyone. And I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'd love to get back to you. If you have any advice or suggestions how you feel you pick a good durian, please do leave them below. Just some fruits here. And if you found it valuable and enjoyable and fun and helpful, please do share for your friends or family to help and for them to learn and enjoy. And yeah, if you haven't already, please hit the bell button for subscribing, so then you get the notifications for the future. And feel welcome to befriend me on Facebook. And yeah, subscribe to my Higher Self Herb store. You get like a bonus startup. The link's below. And yeah, looking forward to hearing more from you in the future. So till next time, folks, lots of love, and signing out, Mr. Fox, New Age Sage Clown, Transformer. Enjoy your durian and enjoy your fruits. Fruitarian for the win.